Hello. How dare he say we'll do? How dare he say we'll do? Give them back. Don't want new coaches. Don't want new coaches. Oh.
Well, John.
The bravest.
Bust my buffers.
Huh. Sir.
Not now, Percy.
Cinders and ashes. We're stuck.
Worry wheels.
Fussy funnel. Oh, thank you. Do it right. Don't interfere. Out of my way. There he goes again. Look out. Good. Help. Sorry, sir.
Bother.
Don't crack your smoke box.
You useless little engines are always in the way.
I'm stuck. Tune up your tuba. That's not funny. Oh, no. Oh.
Well done, Emily. Well, they've mended me tubes, but they didn't even look at me brakes, me gauges, me squeaky wheels. Silly.
Really?
Pa, show off.
Thank you, sir. That old tub. Shiny and clean, shiny and clean. Shiny and clean, shiny and clean. Good. I'm such a splendid engine. I knew it. It'll be a piece of cake. It's just my way of saying, what a shame I can't build a tea room in each place. Oh, it's beautiful.
Right on time.
A root to toe, we want to go. The fruit's going off, 'cause you're too slow. Chug, chug, chuff, you tug and huff, but you're so rusty you can't even puff. Trucks should do as they're told. We'll show him. You can't catch us. Wheesh. Beep, beep.
Offer, it's fruitless for me to say more.
Good morning, Toby. The windmill is broken.
This storm has caused confusion and delay. Remove this tree immediately.
Yes, sir. There is two. That is not. Is two. Is not. Is two. There it is. We're almost there. Splendid outfit, sir. What's that? Is it the monster? For sure it is.
It's not. It's us. A splendid pair of engines.
Okay. This is Sodor Castle. It's very special and important. This is Valley View. And here's the viaduct. Must be special, must be special. Oh no, bust my buffers. Be careful, the tracks are very bumpy. He was going so fast the teacher nearly lost her hat. Phew. It was the best school trip ever. It may be sunny now, matey, but there be a storm coming. It may be sunny now, matey, but there be a storm coming. There be a fierce storm on the way, Cap'n. Peep Percy. Aye, aye, sir.
Goodbye.
There be a fierce storm on the way, Cap'n. Peep Percy. Right on time. Aye, but there's a storm coming. Hurry! Harder starboard, matey.
Well done.
Then say no more, me hearties. Harumph. And bigger. Pa. Is there a problem, Mr. Oliver? Yes, there is. That could have been a little smoother. Meow. Brrr. Oliver's a wonderful snow engine.
Perhaps, Mr. Oliver.
Yes, smelly fish, smelly new line. Hurry up. Phew, he's fallen in the water. No.
Get a move on, slow coach.
You're so slow, I'll finish first. Why, it's only a statue.
Nonsense.
Look out! Slow down! I can! Hooray for Duncan's mistake!
Hurry up. I'm a busy engine.
Ahoy, Murdoch! Welcome, Murdoch.
You're a chatty lot.
Have you worked Marseille? Have you ever crashed?
No need to be rude.
Sheep? Please stop. Toby. Aye, we are.
Bar.
Not like that. Don't interfere. You don't know the rules. Me? Not anymore. It's not fair. Hello. Are you happy to be here? No. Fergus. He's not. Really? Oh, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
All aboard. Get out of my way! Stop! We shall tell the Fat Controller.
It's not my fault. A vegetable bus? That's not such a bad idea.
I'd like to help, but I'm on patrol. But duty calls. Everyone except me. All set and ready for action. Flying horse. Horses can't fly. Silly horse. Flatten my funnel.
You're late for the announcement. Engine trouble.
Topham, you cannot be serious. Me ride in this?
Thank you, my dear.
Hurry up, hurry up. Hold tight. I want to get out.
Not now, dear.
My hat is ruined.
So is mine. Am I glad to see you, Scarlowy? Silly little engines. A competition? Not me. Decorations aren't dignified. Huh. Who cares about a competition anyway?
I can't see. Stop.
I didn't. Silly Gordon.
Morning, Thomas.
Why?
Pa, I'm going to be late. Steaming pistons. Who's that? Who are you?
Huh. Quiet. I was only trying to be useful.
Don't forget the water. Who cares? Why didn't I listen? Run out of water? Yes, perhaps. See? Too much puff and not enough steam.
Well done. I know that.
Stuff and nonsense. You know I'm reliable. I just don't like my snowplough. Elizabeth is rude, apparently. Poor Elizabeth.
Well done.
Oh, thank you, Thomas.
Thank you. Bother. This was a big mistake.
I'm out of steam.
What's that? Rusty.
Help! I'm going to fall. Careful. Oh! Good morning.
I didn't know eggs and spoons had races.
I'll race you, Thomas.
You're on.
Ready, steady, go. Better hurry, Bertie. Better hurry, Thomas. Last one there, Puff-Totter. I won. I won.
I can't let them down. I can't let them down. Well, John, congratulations.
My very own medal. 3 cheers for Thomas, the #1 engine. But I still won the race.
Thomas just peeped happily.